Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am start the session of West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam for Computer Application WBJECA 2023 question paper full detailed analysis with solution. And if you need classes from our site, you can contact on this. Uh, you you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Sourav Sir himself reply to your query. So let's start today's session. What will be the with question number 9? What will say in this question? What is the output of the following program? What will be the program? Has include stdio.h, that means including standard input output header file. Okay, the next line including has include stdlib.h. Why this line can be included? Because of there are a function calloc is used. This function will be saved on this standard library.header file directory. So in this case this header file will be used. So what is the meaning of stdlib.h? Include standard library header file. Okay, and the next line will start void main. Void main means main function with return type null, that means return type null, that means it will return void. And here we can declare int star ptr, that means what is the meaning? Declares a pointer variable of pointer to integer pointer to integer type. Okay, and in the next line, this is a very crucial line of this code. Please try to understand this portion. In this code here, ptr equals to int star calloc. Calloc means calloc. It means it can dynamically allocate memory allocation function width of n of size of any data type. Okay, so what is the calloc function or calloc function? It will C library function and it allocates calloc function allocates requested memory and returns a pointer to it. And what is the difference in malloc and calloc? Is that malloc does not set of memory allocation to 0, where here two types of memory allocation, dynamic and memory allocation function. One is malloc and another one is calloc. So in calloc or calloc, here sets of memory allocation is sets of memory allocation is sets to 0. Okay, and here in this line it will, what is the definition of calloc function? Int star or void star, which data type as you preferred. So calloc size of int or size of int in items, comma size of data type, size of variable data, size of variable data type. Okay, and so in this code the ptr, I will write it again, ptr equals to int star calloc comma size of data type, that will be int. Okay, here it allocates dynamic memory allocation for an array of 3 integers. Why 3? Because here number will be 3. Dynamically memory allocate, that means here that will be the memory, dynamically memory allocates of 3 integers. Okay, let's see. And using calloc, the calloc function initializes all the elements of the allocated memory, initializes the allocated memory to 0. Okay, then it will be allocate, after it will initialize with 0, then this value will updated it and changes the value, and the new value will be assigned. In this format calloc value will be assigned in the memory. So in this case pointer 2 of 30, pointer 2 means ptr2 means this will be the ptr2. Okay, let's say all value of 3 values assigning 0. What is the value of ptr2? ptr2 here, ptr0, ptr1. Okay, so ptr2 new value will be printed as 30, and third element of index 2. So dynamically allocated the array, and next line, the final line, will print. This line will also be executed, and this line print a %d star ptr means prints the value of first element. Prints, please note it down, it will be print the value of first element. What will be the first element? 0. So okay, so prints the value of first element of index 0, that will be 0 of the array to initialized by calloc or calloc. Okay, so what will be the value will be printed? 0 will be printed. Okay, and the fifth line is free ptr, that means dynamically allocate the pointer type memory, that means it will clear all the memory allocation of ptr type. Okay, so what is the output? The output will be ptr, it will print the value of 0. So here option B is the correct answer. So thank you everyone. Please like and share to this video and subscribe to our channel. We will meet you soon in next question. Thank you.